Okay, yeah. Thank you, AsiaPay, for this opportunity to talk about CLEARgo and our solutions. This is Charles. I'm the founder and managing director of CLEARgo. Today, I'm going to talk about orchestrating commerce with Agentic Workflow. Now, CLEARgo has started since 2012. We've been focusing on helping our brands and retailers to do e-commerce and commerce transformation over the years. At the moment, CLEARgo has roughly 60 people across Greater China in Hong Kong, as well as Southeast Asia in Singapore and Malaysia. We've been working with tier 1 brands such as Canon, Yamaha, Estelda, Häagen-Dazs, as well as many retailers and brands across B2C, B2B, and B2B2C. With that, we've been seeing lots of transformation or evolution over the years across the commerce landscape. From where e-commerce was still new to many brands and retailers, started off with a single brand e-shop. At that time, the primary concern has been really building up a basic e-commerce presence with a brand.com. But at the same time, a lot of time the brand.com was disconnected more or less at the silo. Over the years, people started off to building around multi-channel, right? Apart from the brand.com, as well as the physical shop linking up with other channels, let's say the marketplaces. And with the evolution, we see more and more people talking about omni-channel commerce and now unified commerce. When we say about unified commerce, it's mainly about connecting everything together, not just a standalone e-commerce, not just offline, not just the marketplace, but we're creating an omni-channel customer experience where the customer can be recognized across the sales channel, at the same time leveraging the on-offline advantage, say to do things like click and collect, and be able to leverage the inventory source, unifying the inventory across the selling channels, recognizing the customer across the channels. With the Gen AI, since the chat GPT coming on board, people have been looking into how best to leverage AI, especially Gen AI, to do the commerce. With the agentic workflow capabilities of Gen AI, now there's more and more that people can do across what we do, the customer-facing side, as well as internal workflow, supporting the better transformation of commerce. Now, CLEARgo has been doing a lot of delivering the commerce experience along the years, starting from the very beginning, when we were doing the e-commerce presence, building up the e-commerce presence. And we've been doing Adobe Commerce, Shopify, and Shopify Plus as an official partner over the years. We have also got ClearOmni, which is our omni-channel commerce solution to orchestrate the overall commerce operation, be it to manage the different sales channel on the multi-channel presence, as well as the overall omni-channel, as well as product information management, order management, marketplace management, and unifying the loyalty solutions. With CLEARgo is our latest solution, really riding on top of the commerce presence, as well as the overall commerce orchestration, leveraging the Gen AI capability to provide that much better customer experience, as well as making the operation much more efficient. So, talking about CLEARgo, we'll be working with a lot of major brands like Marathon Sports, Kaizen, Häagen-Dazs, Sasa, Canon, Nixiga, and so on. Now, with the omni-channel, what we talked about, ClearOmni, the overall ClearOmni solution really be able to bring across the different online sales channel, bring across the different functions inside a retail's team, whether it's the sales and marketing team, whether it's the logistic team, the store associates, as well as the back office super people. So with ClearOmni, we really connect across the sales channel, bringing in the operation, whether it's the product information operations, order operations, with the marketplace business transformation, with the third-party suppliers, the in-store team, as well as unifying the overall loyalty. with the capability to integrate with a lot of existing systems, whether it's the ERP, CRM, POS, and etc. Now with CLEARgo, we talk about how we leverage AI-driven customer interactions to really, instead of previously fixed conversation flow, to become a much more fluid ability to really help the customer with the various capabilities, with agentic capabilities of the Gen AI, as well as the operations, whether it's managing a lot of products information, first making the product product information quantities a lot better than previously, as well as organizing or helping with the inventory optimization, as well as the various functionalities over the back office. Thinking about the AI, using AI in commerce, it's been evolving throughout the many years. Since even almost like 30 years ago when we first have e-commerce, we already talking about using AI to provide better personalization to the customers. But that was just one small use case, leveraging one cup of collaborative filtering model of AI. And 5 or 10 years ago, we talked about, already starting like some chatbot with it, leveraging some basic AI capabilities, right? At that time, using some NLU capability of AI to determine the intent of customer, to be able to provide some answers to customer. But all these were really fixed flow of leveraging AI. With the ChatGPT, with GPT capabilities, latest LLM model, we are able to really do human-like interaction. Whether you don't even need a fixed flow of the AI, you can really converse with the customer in a very natural way. And moving from a basic Gen AI to now agentic AI, meaning that the AI can really leveraging the different kind of tools to really interact with the customer with not just a general knowledge that the AI has been trained on, but be able to really make use of the different functionalities and system integrations with your existing tools to be able to provide much more flexibility and capability to handle different kind of tasks and processes. So with LLM-based AI, we can really do human-level contextual understanding, be able to converse with the user in a much more fluent way, especially in the different kind of languages. Now, with the evolution of the GPT type of AI, there's more and more with the planning and reasoning capability, so it can actually understand what you mean and be able to think about your need and be able to take actions based on what you need. Now, with additional techniques like RAG type of techniques, the AI can now even be able to understand your own company data, your own company products, will be able to provide deep expertise and explanation on recommendations on products and company informations. So you can actually not only converse based on general knowledge, but your company own specific knowledge. With the agentic capability of LLM now, the AI can not only be able to talk about things, retrieving information, but it be able to even take actions. So the agentic AI can, based on the specific situations that you are looking into, and be able to even talk to your ERP system, talk to your e-commerce system, talk to your CRM system, and be able to perform various type of functions. At CLEARgo, we have been working on CLEARgo be able to do all these functionalities as well as integrate with our omni-channel solutions, ClearOmni, to be able to really make use of the various functionalities, be it on the product side, inventory side, the order side, and customer loyalty side, and with providing all-in-one AI integration for commerce. So we've been talking about the different type of AI applications, from the general public knowledge to now the private knowledge, be able to perform agentic workflow. We're looking into more fully automation to be able to perform certain functions autonomously moving forward as well. Now, we talk about the commerce. AI is not really a standalone thing. Customer experience really key on the various type of functionalities. whether how you help you to discover the products, to be able to converse in the multiple language, integrate with the loyalty and rewards, handling different kind of fulfillments, be able to support the payment, especially say payment gateway from AsiaPay, and doing the different kind of customer support. But with AI tool really help with the customer experience. There are different type of things that you do to really facilitate the overall experience, whether it's on the product recommendations, be able to talk about the order tracking and status, ask about things about the terms and the different policies and company information in general. With Gen AI, with the natural language capability, we now think about what has been the downside of the traditional e-shop, where customers are expected to really find the products by themselves, navigate the site with the navigations, search with a limited search capability or filtering to be able to find the products. The downside of online store on its own is really require a lot from the customer to be able to do it yourself, versus a physical store where a knowledgeable store associate can really help you and give recommendation to you right away. Now, with the Gen AI capability, we are really looking into how we can recreate the physical store experience in knowledgeable store associates to be able to help you to find the products when you ask for it. Okay, so with a traditional search, you got a problem. The search engine does not really help you to analyze the problem and give you a recommendation. It cannot find the products unless you put in the right keywords. So with Gen AI, we can actually do much more contextual understanding and really be able to do it 24/7, reducing the really manpower cost. You don't need a live agent all the time to be present, to be 24/7 to be able to answer the customer questions. So technical solution can really be able to understand your customer questions, leveraging the overall knowledge of the prompt and that information that you will provide, get to understand your own product information, your own promotions, the product details in particular, and be able to really recommend the right products to the customers. And not only doing product recommendations, they also can handle various type of questions, such as where's my order, the tracking status, and the different score policies and so on. This is done by having the full integration with the commerce platform like Shopify, Adobe Commerce, leveraging the vector database, integrating all the synchronizing all the products into a vector embedding with very specific prompts that we enable the CLEARgo to be able to really integrate with the e-commerce platform, integrate with our clear omni-channel solutions, be able to provide the right answers to customer questions. Apart from all these, we can also really act like a human-like worker to do very tedious things, let's say verifying the translations, improving the product information qualities, handling a lot of order routings and fulfillment capabilities, replenishment of inventory, doing demand forecasting and things like that. So with the agentic workflows and the capability of integration, we can really be able to leveraging the agentic capability to integrate with the product database, to integrate with your knowledge base, to integrate with the various functionalities of the e-commerce systems. So this is what the moving forward with the Gen AI capability, how we can really be able to create a new customer experience and new orchestration flow for the operations for the customers. Thank you so much. This is my presentation.